Hey Travel Rushers, Ron and I are in Anaheim, California. We decided to take a quick trip to Disneyland, one of my, of course, favorite places in the whole world. So I had to come down and see Mickey. So stay with us. We're going to be staying at two different hotels, Paradise Pier, which will soon become Pixar Park, and also Worldmark Condo. So we'll show you a room tour of both those places and a resort tour of both those places. But stick with us, have fun, come see Mickey with me. You know he's waiting on you. If you like this kind of content, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Check out the rest of our videos on this series. There are quite a few of them. All right, let's go do Disney. Hey everybody, I want to pop in and just give you some quick information about the Paradise Pier Hotel before we go to our room tour. This is one of 3 hotels on Disneyland property. You've got the Grand Californian, this one, Paradise Pier, and the Disneyland Hotel. Out of all 3 hotels, this is considered the most less thrills hotel of all 3. And as you know, currently it's under renovation. They're saying it should be completed with the renovation into the Pixar Park Hotels by spring, summer of 2024. So we didn't know that when we booked this hotel. I was a little taken aback by the shape of the hotel, and you'll see some of that in the footage that we shot. We did book a premium park view room with 2 queen-size beds. And so Ron's going to slip in some footage at the end of the video showing the view outside of our room, which was just stunningly beautiful. Also, I mentioned during the video that the hotel has no amenities. So even to get into the lobby of the hotel, which really isn't a lobby, you walk through the garage, you go in through a side entrance to kind of a makeshift lobby area that used to be a conference room that's now got the lobby, the front desk area, the bell services, and a small gift shop area. So you walk through that, and Ron will show you some of those views. There's also like a small marketplace that you use, a vending machine to buy some things. That's about it. You do have to go over to the Disneyland Hotel to use any of their amenities, and Ron's going to show you some of that footage as well. He'll show you the pool area that you have access to. There's also a piece in the video that shows you the kind of the secret entrance to the Grand Californian that goes into the Disney California Adventure Park. And so we'll show you that little walkway too. You go out a side door through the Grand Californian, a little entrance there that takes you right into the the Disney California Adventure. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy the room tours. Lots more to come. So stick with us, everybody. Go. So let's take a look around this room. We're going to start over here in this desk area. They do give you a small desk area that you can work on. It's got a couple USB ports, 2 plugs, and a really nice lamp. We had trouble last night with USBs. There were not enough in this room for us to plug everything in. So we were actually unplugging lamps to be able to put USBs and charge all of our equipment in. So it was a little bit of a problem. I hope that they rectify that when they do the room renovation. And if you have any comments and you want to call Disney and tell them that, I would let them know. It's really important. It did come with 2 queen-size beds. As you can see, we did sleep in one last night. They were okay and comfortable if you like kind of a firmer bed. I'm used to more of a soft bed with kind of a Tempur-Pedic mattress on it. But I did sleep really, really well until my alarm went off really early this morning. So it was really comfortable. It's got a nice TV area over here that has your mini fridge in it and your room safe and a couple of drawers. We didn't even get a chance to use this, so I can't tell you if it was cool or not. But you've got that option in case you want to put a couple of things, snacky things to take to the park with you. It's got a nice little Mickey lamp. I really thought that was cute. I hope they leave that in the room and don't take it away. And if they do, I want to buy it at the Character Warehouse because it's super cute. A couple of drawers, a nice sized TV here, your ice bucket, and then it comes with Your standard closet. It's got an ironing board, some extra linen in it. It's got a lot of space, a place for you to put your luggage if you choose to do that. Behind Ron, we have a little bit of a coffee bar area that comes with some coffee, a Cuisinart, and some tea. Again, we didn't have the opportunity to use that last night. It is lit up. There are some USB charging areas here that you could charge, and we did utilize those last night. Let's go into the bathroom. I'll have Ron go on in. Your standard bathroom, nothing special about this. My only complaint in this bathroom is the water pressure is horrible. Ron did take a shower this morning and said that the water pressure in the shower is a little bit better than it is in the sink. But it really is not very good water pressure. And I don't know if that's due to the renovation, the construction that's going on in the hotel. I'm not sure about that. It does come with some really nice HDO products, which is a bonus. I love those. I did take a couple of those home last night because I do order those offline. So that's kind of a nice bonus. Those will be going away soon. So none of the hotels will have those. So if you have the opportunity to pick up a few, do that. Other than that, travel rushers, the door, of course, has got your standard safety stuff on it. We are on the 8th floor today. It is a nice room, guys. I don't want you to get the opinion it's not a nice room, but it does need some major updating, and I'm really glad that they're doing that renovation here. The hotel itself really has no amenities available to you right now. They do have a small cafe area that you can purchase a couple things to take back to your room or to eat on the go. We'll show you that when we go downstairs. Their lobby and their gift room is all together in one spot because they're using a conference center for that right now because you really can't come through the hotel lobby entrance. So they've kind of combined those two places together. So there are a couple souvenir kind of things you can buy there. You can't use the pools here right now. If you want to use the pool or the spa or the hot tub, you have to go over to the Disneyland Hotel, and they do have people here that will drive you over there if you don't want to walk, so that's kind of nice. Overall, it's a great hotel. It is a little on the pricier side. I thought it was a little overpriced for what you got, but again, you're at Disneyland, so it's kind of hard not to pay that extra money. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. Today's going to be a busy day for us. We've got lots more videos coming. Please stick around, like, subscribe, share, and tell your friends about this channel if you like this content. We are the Travel Rushers. We do travel content, so we look forward to having you on our next adventure. Take care, everybody.
Okay, everybody, this is the impromptu entry, I guess you'd call it. It's where you at the front desk, and you got the bellhop services are over here in the corner, and then they've got a little shop set up in here, and then across the hall, we will take a look at the little vending machine store. So here they got a little kiosk thing where you just use your card, and they got coffee, they got some goodies, drinks. Nothing too fancy, but it'll get the job done. So here we are at Grand Californian. I guess there's a secret entrance into Disney's California Adventure for people that stay over here on property that gets you in to California Adventure. So we're going to see what that's like. Yep, looks like here it is. Guess we have to use our hotel key. But yeah, that's kind of cool. security coming in the sneaky back